Project Cost Management, a comprehensive overview. Introduction to Cost Management. Project cost management ensures that the project is completed within the approved budget. It involves planning, estimating, budgeting, and controlling costs to achieve financial efficiency. Key concepts focuses on the cost of resources needed to complete the project. Cost can be influenced most effectively during the early stages, balances project costs against operating costs, predicts and analyzes financial performance, usually outside the project. Planning phase in cost management. 1. Plan cost management. This process establishes the framework for estimating, budgeting, and controlling costs. Models and methods. Expert judgment, leveraging expertise to develop plans. Data analysis, identifying risks and constraints. Meetings, collaborative sessions to finalize the cost management plan. Artifacts, cost management plan, a document outlining how costs will be managed throughout the project. 2. Estimate costs. This process determines the monetary resources required for the project. Models and methods, 3-point estimating. Considering optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely scenarios. Bottom up. Estimating, breaking down work into smaller tasks for detailed estimates. PMIS, Project Management Information Systems, tools for cost calculations and tracking. Artifacts, cost estimates, detailed estimates of project costs, basis of estimates, documentation of assumptions, constraints, and methodologies used. 3. Determine budget. This process aggregates estimated costs to establish a cost baseline. Models and methods, data analysis, prioritizing costs to ensure feasibility. Funding limit reconciliation, aligning budget with funding constraints. Artifacts, cost baseline, approved version of the budget used for monitoring and controlling. Monitoring and controlling phase in cost management. 4. Control costs. This process tracks costs to detect variances from the baseline and manage changes. Models and methods, earned value management, EVM, measures project performance. Forecasting techniques to predict project financial outcomes. Artifacts, cost reports, tracking and variance reports. Change requests, documenting adjustments to the budget. Earned value analysis, EVA. EVA combines scope, schedule, and cost for an integrated performance measurement. Planned value, PV, budgeted cost of work scheduled. Earned value, EV, budgeted cost of work performed. Actual cost, AC, actual expenditure incurred. Earned value analysis, example. Welcome to this example of earned value analysis, or EVA. Let's walk through the planning and execution of a computer installation project. Day 1. Installation begins with one resource at a planned cost of $1,000. Day 2 through Day 7, the setup phase is completed on Day 1. Over the next 6 days, the plan involves installing 10 computers daily using 2 resources at a planned cost of $2,000 per day. Here's the planned value, PV, breakdown for each day. Day 2, $2,000. Day 3, $2,000. Cumulative, PV, $5,000. Day 4, $3,000. Day 5, $7,000. Day 6, $9,000. Day 7, $11,000. Finally, a finishing task is planned on Day 7 by one resource at a planned cost of $1,000, bringing the total project budget to $12,000. This was the planned schedule. Now, let's examine the actual execution. Execution phase. Setup was completed on Day 1 as planned, with a cost of $1,000. However, on Day 2, only 5 computers were installed instead of the planned 10. This resulted in an actual cost of $1,000 for one resource. On subsequent days, due to unforeseen circumstances, the cost per resource increased to $1,100. Here's how the costs accumulated. Day 3, $1,100. Day 4, $2,200. Day 5, $3,000 earned value, EV, and actual cost, AC. By the end of Day 5 earned value, EV, reflecting partial task completion, $5,000. Actual cost, AC, $7,600. From these figures, we calculate cost performance and schedule performance. Cost Performance Index, CPI. EV over AC equals $5,000 over $7,600 equals 0.66. Schedule Performance Index, SPI. EV over PV equals $5,000 over $7,000 equals 0.71. These metrics indicate the project is over budget and behind schedule. This example demonstrates how earned value analysis helps track project performance and provides insight for adjustments to get back on track. Forecasting examples. Option 1, no variance expected. EAC equals AC plus BAC minus EV. Example, EAC equals 3,300 plus 12,000 minus 2,000 equals 13,300. Option 2, cost variances, persist, no schedule variances. EAC equals BAC divided by CPI. Option 3, both cost and schedule variances persist. EAC equals AC plus times open parenthesis, BAC minus EV close parenthesis, divided by times open parenthesis, CPI times, SPI close parenthesis. Option 4, initial estimates. Where incorrect, EAC equals AC plus bottom-up estimates to complete performance index, TCPI. This index evaluates the efficiency needed to achieve the remaining work within the available budget. Formula, TCPI equals open parenthesis, BAC minus EV, close parenthesis, divided by open parenthesis, EAC minus AC close parenthesis. If EAC is not yet approved, the formula can be adjusted accordingly. Effective cost management ensures precise planning and estimation, controlled and efficient allocation of financial resources, predictive insights into the financial trajectory of the project.